Hi, I'm CJ, and I'm going to read to you Germs, Germs, Germs by Bobbi Katz, illustrated by Steve Bjorkman. We're on the ground, we're in the air, we're germs, and we live everywhere. Can you see us? Not a hope. You'll need to use a microscope. We're so small we can't be seen, but we are strong and we are mean. Knock, knock, buddy, let us in. We'll make you sick once we begin. Every germ thinks it's just grand to hop in a mouth on a dirty hand. Boing. A tummy ache, a cold, the flu. We can give them all to you. We're on the ground, we're in the air, we're germs, and we live everywhere. Us someplace dark and damp, what a perfect place to camp! Camping, camping. Oh, is that a tire swing? Let's go swimming. It's warm, we'd love to stay and multiply by night and day. Knock, knock, body, let us in. We'll make you sick once we begin. Not always easy to spread disease. Germs have lots of enemies. Hot, soapy water. What a curse! Fresh air and sunshine, even worse. Some folks we meet are very mean. Rub-a-dub scrubbers keep everything clean. Poor germs like us get washed away. Then we don't have a chance to play. Down the drain. Food put-awayers, another bad bunch. They won't let us grow in your supper or lunch. Yeah, let us in there. Into the fridge go milk, butter, and meat. How can we get into the food that you eat? Stop it! Stop it! Hey, you guys! Leave out something for the flies. Don't do that. Don't leave things out for the flies. Brushes, brooms, mops, detergent. Let's leave germs. It's getting urgent. We can't live here, but we don't care. We're germs and we go everywhere. Oh boy, this guy's gonna be real tough to get rid of. I have to really scrub him. But germs have helpers. Yes, we do. Hear that cough and that. In winter, people crowd inside. That's when germs get an easy ride. Sneezers and coughers don't take care. We'll be glad to help you share. When bodies are tired and get a chill, Will cold germs attack them? Yes, we will. We're on the ground. We're in the air. We're germs, and we live everywhere. Hurry ups help us. Rush, rush, rush. They're too busy to wash and flush. Germs like hurry up so much better than some careful never forgetter. Oh man, she never forgets to wash her hands. Ow, down the drain. Hey, see that kid? Now watch him fall. Are we sorry? Not at all. His elbow's cut. He scraped his knee. Let's go, germs. We'll have a spree. Get in there, yeah. That's our way in, guys. Open skin has no protection. We can cause a fine infection. Hip, hip, hooray for lovely dirt. Sorry, kid. Infections hurts. Ow! Oh, my knee still hurts. Days after I hurt it. That's because you didn't clean it after you got hurt. You gotta clean your ouchies right away, or they'll hurt for days and days while the bad germs grow. Well, side note for you. Who else helps germs? Do you know? Nose picker, pencil chewer. Ho ho ho! Finger licker, meal skipper. Yes, sir. Germs have good friends, as you see. We may have lots of enemies, but we'll do fine with friends like these. We're on the ground. We're in the air. We're germs. And we live everywhere. Thank you for joining me today in the reading of Germs, Germs, Germs. Just remember to wash your hands. That's all for now.